Welcome to Map My Land tutorial. We are pleased you have chosen us to help with your property drawing needs. The tutorial sessions are designed for those of you whose mapping knowledge is limited, as well as for those of you who have a working knowledge of surveying and mapping. You can go through each session slowly, or you can do a quick overview to learn the specifics of the software. You can skip sessions or review them in any order. This session is a brief overview of the software to help you get started. First, let's look at the Map My Land screen. The screen is divided into 3 panels. The left panel is called the Command Panel. The right side is divided into 2 panels. The upper panel is called the Help Panel, and the lower panel is called the Drawing Panel. Throughout the tutorials, Map My Land uses standard Microsoft Windows terminology. Let's get started by creating a new property. Click the Create New Property button. In our demonstration, the property name will be Smith Property. On the MML New Property Editor, enter Smith Property as the property name. A property consists of 1 or more parcels. For now, 1 parcel will be added. The name of the parcel will be Smith Property Parcel. The common point is the point in the property from which every other point is derived. The description for this parcel's common point is iron pin. Enter iron pin as the common point description. Click OK. A new command panel and drawing panel will now appear. The software will auto-save files occasionally throughout the drawing process. However, it is wise to save files from time to time to minimize data loss. Files can be saved from the main menu with the File Save command, by using the Ctrl+S shortcut, or by clicking the Save button on the toolbar. Properties and Parcels lists appear at the top of the command panel. New properties can be created by clicking the New Property button. New parcels can be added to the current property by clicking New Parcel. Clicking Delete Parcel deletes the current parcel. In the demo, you will see the user entering 6 boundaries for the current parcel. Boundaries are discussed in detail in another session, but this will allow you to see the effect of modifying parcel and property characteristics. The Edit Property button allows the user to modify the name of the property and the description of the common point. On this form, the latitude and longitude of the common point can be specified. Checking latitude-longitude meaningful causes the latitude and longitude boxes to appear and indicates that the latitude and longitude numbers are actual GPS coordinates of the property's common point. If not checked, the latitude and longitude boxes do not appear, and the GPS features are not available for this property. More information regarding latitude and longitude is in the session on GPS. Click OK to exit Edit Property and save changes. Click Edit Parcel to display the MML Parcel Editor. In the identification group, the user can change the name of the parcel and can choose to show the name of the parcel on the drawing by checking Show. The color or type of fill can be chosen: no fill, solid, texture, or hatched. Clicking on the Color button in the Solid Fill group will cause the standard Windows color dialog box to appear. Click a color, and as the parcel is drawn, the fill color will appear. Clicking on the Select Texture file in the Texture Fill group will cause a File Open dialog box to appear, showing several texture samples to choose from. The user can find additional texture files on the Internet. Selecting a hatch style and foreground and background colors in the Hatched Fill group allows the user to specify a hatched style to display when the Hatched Fill radio button is selected. Of note, as the parcel is drawn, the color may appear in unusual locations until the property is completed. In the Measurements and Drawings group, the user can choose the unit of measurement to be used for each of the property's area, perimeter, and closure values. Checking Show allows these measurements to be displayed on the drawing. These measurements are always shown in the bottom left corner of the command panel. If at any time you change your mind about the parcel parameters, simply go back into Edit Parcel and make the modification.